Hi, I'm Greg from Zoho Expert. I'm just going to make a quick video today on how to get an email sent to automatically create a note in Zoho Notebook. So someone on Reddit was asking how to do this, and I just thought I'd make a quick video. So step number one is to go over to Zoho Flow. Now I'm going to make a new flow for this. So let's just call this new note, new email to Zoho Notebook. Okay, so we're going to go from an app. And we're going to choose the Zoho Mail app. Now, we want to do this for emails that match a certain criteria. Now, in order for this to work, by the way, you might need to set up your connection if you haven't used Zoho Flow before. So for that, you just go here and you call this new Zoho Mail. It's all triggers and actions, authorize. You give it permission. There's a pop-up now. I'm giving it permission in the pop-up. There we go. Okay, so you select your email account because that's the one that it's going to be checking the inbox for. Now this works if you are the wildcard mailbox. So in other words, if somebody writes an email to an unknown address, so not to an existing user, but just to an unknown address on your system, that you will be the person to receive that email. If that's the case, then this will work for you. So in other words, I can send a message to 1234@zohoexpert.co.uk, and that email will come to me because there's no users on my system who receive emails for 1234. Okay, so we want to go to, and then colon, and we want to say here email to notebook, for example. You can make this whatever you like, at, and then your URL. So mine is zohoexpert.expert.co.uk. So email to notebook, for example. Okay. Now we want to say emails that match that criteria. What we want to happen is we want to go onto Notebook and we want to create a new note. Okay, now my recommendation is to have the subject of the note be the note name and then the body to be the note description. You've got to choose your notebook here. If you don't have a notebook, go into Notebook, get set up for the first time, come back to Flow, and then you'll see it here. Okay, and then just done. So we'll save this flow. Now I did some testing before I made this video, so I've got to turn off my old flow. There we go. So now I've only got my new flow going and it's on. So now we go to email. Now this can come from any email address. So we want to email the email address we've given as the search criteria. So in my case, it's email to notebook@zohoexpert.co.uk. So now this will be the note subject. So we're going to say note subject and note body. Write your note here. Now anyone can send to this email address and create a note. So, I don't know how you want to use this. If you want to keep it private, then don't share this with anybody. Or maybe you want to share this email address with everyone in your team and they can all add notes to your notebook. So we're going to click send. Now, it could take up to 5 minutes for this to work because Zoho Flow only polls every 5 minutes. So let's have a look on here. Let's give this a refresh.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so now it's been 5 minutes and you'll see that it's polled the email. And it's received an email where the search value is the email address was email to notebook@zohoexpert.co.uk, and what it's done is it's sent the data from the email over to the note, and it's created a note with the description, note body, and the note name as note subject, And now if we go back to my notebook, you'll see the note here. There we go. That's how simple and easy it is. Now you can do so much with this. You can use this initial step here to also maybe add notes on Zoho CRM or add tasks on Zoho CRM, to send a text message. There's literally endless possibilities as to what you can do with this. But the person on Reddit asked me to make a video that shows how to do this exact step, so that's what I'm doing. I hope you found this useful. Please like the video. Please subscribe to my channel to show me that there's interest in seeing more videos like this. And if you need anything or you'd like to know anything in particular, please leave a comment down below and I'll endeavor to help you with that as well. Thank you.